Welcome back. Now we shall continue the basic arithmetic, the second part. Our next question is, define the symbolic variables a, b, c, x and find the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You know that this is a second degree equation. Now x has two roots with minus b. This is one root, minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac, and another root is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac is one root. Matlab can not only handle numbers, but it can also do symbolic calculation. So here I don't want to give the values, but here I want to declare the symbol a, b, c and x as the symbols. Okay, now we shall have solved. Then I want this second degree equation, a multiplied by x power 2 plus b multiplied by x plus c, and this equation, this is a second degree equation, this we want to solve. Then you can find that one root is minus b plus b square minus 4ac. This one power half is the square root divided by 2a, and another root is with the same one with minus. So this looks as a Matlab expression. Suppose if you want in a pretty good look, then Matlab has a command called as pretty, and these above roots are stored in the variable answer. Therefore if I say pretty answer, so that this is one root minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac. Instead of square root, is power half is there by 2a. This is one root. Likewise minus b minus square root of, because of this half, and b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is another root. Right. The next one. Find the length c of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle in terms of the two sides a and b. So you know that. Suppose if I take this one, suppose if I take 5 and this one, you know that. Suppose if one side is a, another side is b, and the degree, whatever this 90 degree opposite side is, this is hypotenuse. If this is a and this is b, then this value, the length of the hypotenuse is a square plus b square. So here the same way we shall find this one side is a, another side is b. Now we have to find the length c, hypotenuse, a side which is opposite to the 90 degree. Now let us take some values. Let us take the Matlab, and I clear this, clear all the memory locations. I clear the command window. Now I take a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, and now I want the value of c, the hypotenuse, is equal to square root of a square, a power 2 plus b power 2. So this is the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore this should come to 5. So the sides with the length 3, 4, 5 makes a right angle triangle. This we know from our school level. Right, the next one, generate a 5 cross 5 identity matrix. Then okay, first one we shall see this one, 5 cross 5 identity matrix. What is the identity matrix? A matrix whose diagonal elements are 1 are called as a diagonal matrix. Now number of rows and number of columns is given 5. Therefore let us see EYE. Matlab has a function called as EYE, and this is the size. Okay, I of 3 will generate a 3 cross 3 identity matrix whose diagonal elements are 1 and all non-diagonal elements are 0. But we want identity of 5, that is 5 cross 5. So this is a 5 cross 5 matrix whose diagonal elements are 1, hence it is a 5 cross 5 diagonal matrix. The next one, this is a 5 cross 5 identity matrix. Then this one, this cross a 4 cross 4 diagonal matrix with diagonals 1, 2, 3, 4. So these things I want as a diagonals, and it should, because 4 elements are there, we will get a 4 cross 4 matrix. Right, I will make a vector a is equal to 1 to 4. You can give like this one, or I can give a vector like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now a is a vector. Now I want to create a diagonal matrix with a as the diagonal elements. Now see that 1, 2, 3, 4 has come as the diagonal elements, and all other elements have become as 0. If these diagonal elements are 1, then it is called as the identity matrix, as we have seen earlier. The next one, write the binary value of 0 to 15 and convert 255 to binary. And of course almost all computer students know that. For example, I can represent 8 is equal to binary number is 1000, because this weight is Z1, this second number weight is 2, this weight is this 1, this is 2, this is 4, and this one is 8. So we can get any number, decimal number to binary number by a function called as decimal to binary. Okay, what number I want? Suppose I want the number is equal to 12. So for the 12 it will convert the binary. This one is, first one is 8, second one is 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now same way I can convert the decimal of 25. Therefore this will be equal to 16 plus 9. So this weight is equal to 16, and this one 1001 is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Now what is asked? Now we want the binary values of 0 to 15. All the 15 numbers we want. Therefore I will create a vector from 1 to 15, sorry, 0 to 15. Okay, now I want by decimal to binary of all the values of 5. Right, this is the binary of 0, 1, 2, this is 3, 2 plus 1, 3, this is the 4th position, this is the 4th plus 1, 5th position, and so on. This is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, the 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So these are the binary numbers of 0 to 15. Then the second question is convert 255 to binary. Yes, it is as usual, decimal to binary, whatever may be the decimal number. 255. 255 is the largest number that could be accommodated in 8-bit. Therefore, decimal of 255 is equal to 111111. Right. You can cross check by means of calculator also. Here I can take the decimal value is 255 and its binary number is equal to 8 number of ones. I can change either to octal, hexadecimal. 4 number of ones makes 1 F. All right. I think. All right. The next question. Find the area and circumference of a circle of radius 10. So you know that the area formula is equal to pi r square, pi multiplied by r multiplied by r, where r is equal to 10. And what is the circumference? Circumference means the outer area, that is the outer length. So that one is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. Right, this we shall use here. I clear this one, I clear all the memory locations. I take r is equal to 10 and I declare a variable area is equal to pi r square. In Matlab I can define pi, then r multiplied by r, or simply I can say r power 2. Here, therefore I get this one is equal to area. You can check that the pi is equal to 3.14 since it is multiplied by 10 into 10. So the decimal place has gone to the right 2 times. Okay, then what is the circumference? CAR is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. So this is the length of the outer arc. If the circle is broken, and then it is the length of the circumference. Right, the next one, area and perimeter of a rectangle of length 10 units and 20 units, length and breadth. So suppose if this itself is a rectangle, suppose the length is equal to 10 units and the height is equal to, the breadth is equal to 20 units. For a rectangle, the area is equal to A into B. Okay, therefore here also I can declare A is equal to 10 units and B is equal to 20 units. Therefore the area is equal to A multiplied by B. Okay, so this is 200. Likewise, the perimeter is equal to 1A, then another side B, then another side A, then another side B. So this is 60, or simply we can say we can add the length and the breadth. And since there are 2 length and 2 breadth, I can get the same length, A plus B. Right, the next one, convert 75 kilograms to pound, and for information it is given that 1 pound is equal to 454 grams. Right, 454 grams is equal to 1 pound. Therefore 75 kilo means 10 power 3. Therefore 75,000 grams is equal to how much? Therefore only thing is 75,000 is to be divided by 454. Therefore we can simply say that 775, this is kilo divided by 454. Therefore 165.19 pounds I get it. Right, find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line 2x plus 7y plus 25 and this one 2x. This is normally a straight line because the equation of a straight line is ax plus by y equal to mx plus c. Therefore this is one line, this is one line. Let us plot this one. In Matlab we can plot the graph very easily because Matlab is very popular for plot. Therefore let us plot the first equation, 2x plus 7y, 2 into x, sorry, first I should have declared symbols as x and y. Then I can give z plot. The one equation is 2x plus 7y, 2 multiplied by x plus 7 multiplied by y, and equal to 25, which comes this side becomes minus 25. Right, I get a z plot. Therefore this is my line. This is the equation of the line 2x plus 3y. Now I hold this I keep this graph and I draw another line. The another equation is 7x minus 2y minus 8. 7x minus 2y. So again I take 7x minus 2y minus 2y, and what is one more, 7x minus 2y minus 8. Oh my god, minus 8. Right, so this is another line. I switch on the grid. Now if I refer the figure, I can see that the point of intersection of the two lines, this x is at 2 and y is at 3. Therefore 2 comma 3 is my point of intersection. I can verify by using the data cursor. I can keep it here, and now you can see that this one is almost, this is 2 comma 3, right? So 2 comma 3 is the point of intersection. Almost again the time is over. Remaining thing we shall continue in the next video. Thank you so much.